Bitcoin and crypto are exploding. And even if we have pullbacks, that is okay. Guys, welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. In today's video, I'm going to show you a few charts that are going to make you want to scream the word bullish out to the world. Thank you for being here with me today. I'm Kiara DeCass. Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. Let's get on to this. I have done some cool videos for you the past couple days, so I hope you guys have been enjoying that. Really appreciate every single last one of you. Make sure if you're watching and are not yet subscribed that you go ahead and do that for the community. In the meantime, let's go and have a look at the Morales money bubbles. As you guys can see, there's not a green in the market today. Literally everything is red, pretty much. And as you can see here, Luna C is the one that's being obliterated, as I showed you guys yesterday in my video. But you know, look how much red is in the market today. So this is a good day to accumulate cryptocurrency. For me, I'm continuing to buy more and more cryptocurrency. So I hope you guys are doing the same thing. I wish I could buy $10,000 of each one of these, but unfortunately, that's not what it is. And yeah, at the end of the day, you have the money you have, and you make the money you have, and you can put little chunks in to really give you exponentially great and wonderful returns. If you like that, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because as you guys can see, I do some crazy content or some altcoin content for you guys. Lots and lots of stuff happening out there. So truly, thank you guys for being here with me and the community. You guys rock. Let's not waste any time. Let's jump straight into the content. I'm not going to show you any news today, but this is from Bitcoin Archive. This is the weekly Bitcoin Grayscale chart. So basically, or the index, the Grayscale index. So Grayscale's trust shrinking discount versus Bitcoin price shows a growing level of optimism over the past 6 months that a spot ETF will finally be approved. Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas. So we've seen a massive increase. It was down 48%. Now the discount is closed kind of to about close the gap to about 7.36% negative. So if you still wanted to buy Grayscale and then convert that into a spot ETF, essentially, which is what they're intending on doing, then you could go and buy yourself some of that Grayscale spot ETF. Oh, sorry guys, this aircon just sucks the oxygen out of me. Jim Cramer, the entertainer, sold his Bitcoin. Paul Tudor Jones, legendary investor, increased his allocation from 1 to 5%. All right. This is amazing. Paul Tudor Jones is a Bitcoin enthusiast, guys. I love him. You can see Max Kaiser. Not Max Kaiser. So sorry, Max. But this is definitely. I don't know why this guy's selling, but yeah, I guess when he sells, we buy. We buy his Bitcoin. That's okay. I'll buy his Bitcoin. But as you can see here from the Scalping Pro, Bitcoin entering the hope zone. So as you guys can see, we've had capitulation, we had panic, we had anger down here, depression, disbelief, and kind of making our way slowly up to hope. You know, it still seems as though we can sit a little bit choppy and sideways, but essentially we're still climbing, kind of making our way up to the 48K level. Holy shit, I'm so sorry, guys. Wow, let me turn this thing off. Stealing my oxygen, yeah. And as you can see, then the same concepts kind of rally up here. You go into hope, optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria. Then back to complacency, anxiety, denial, capitulation, panic. Guys, the same thing. This Wall Street sheet is happening, whether you like it or not. Now, as you can see here, Bitcoin is up 38% since Jim Cramer said Bitcoin is about to go down big. It never ever fails. So he said it's about to go down big over here. I mean, I don't know who this dude is, or if he's actually like a Wally playing jokes or whatever it is that he might be doing. But Bitcoin literally rallied all the way from 26,000 to 38,000 pretty much, which is insane. Guys, I'm so sorry. Please forgive my yawns. If you forgive me, smash the thumbs up on the video. This is an inverted chart from the Scalping Pro. I've shown you this from him a few times. Bitcoin breakdown looks promising and more downside coming. So this is the level. Maybe there's a bit of a retest kind of there at the 37,500. Maybe once again, but essentially 48K is definitely our target. And then we could see a massive pullback to about 30K, which is what I've been saying to you guys for a very, very long time now. And essentially then make our ways to those new all-time highs. So I'll show you my charts in a little moment, and we'll have a little bit of a discussion about that. But Bitcoin bull run is coming. Why? Because once we broke this neckline, we made a rally. Once we broke this neckline, found some support, we make a rally, guys. The rally is just absolutely inevitable. And you know, there's so much to share here with you guys. Always, 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 always. This is a long-term trend line support. That's a long-term resistance. So as you guys can see, you know, this is kind of pushing up to 240K. I think we're going to explode past 240K. Now, the simple plan for Bitcoin is buy in 2023. We're currently in 2023. Hold in 2024. Take profit in 2025 and go away in 2026. In other words, chill out in 2026. Okay, I've shown you this chart before, and as you guys can see, since we got the halving, we made this massive rally. Halving, rally, halving, rally. Halving is coming up. Are we going to see a massive, ridiculous rally up to $300,000? I would like to know what you guys think about that down below. If you guys are enjoying this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to show you my trades in a little moment. Some of them are a little bit down. I have added more to my positions because we are absolutely, and I've been saying this, we are getting ready to go ridiculously bullish. And you guys can see that. It's inevitable. It doesn't matter how we pull back here. It really doesn't matter at all. Just wait patiently. Hold 2024. Start taking some profits kind of second quarter, third quarter 2025. Then you guys know that very likely that will be more or less the top of the bull cycle. Sign up to trade with me. Use my Bybit link down below and my Bitflex link down below. Let's do this together. Let's trade together. If you guys watched my live video that I did for you, I do it every Monday. Make sure you guys have hit the notification bell so that you guys know when I do my live streams for you, because last night I showed you guys how to trade. I showed you a few things out there, and guys, there was a lot of information in there that you do not want to miss out, so go and check that video out for sure. Okay, now let's go and look at the Dixie chart. The Dixie is breaking down. We are breaking down on the Dixie. The Dixie is going to come down. I continue to say that to you guys. I don't even need to continue to share that with you at this point because it is just breaking down. Now, guys, this is Bitcoin resistance. Now, we know that Bitcoin loves W patterns, right? Well, guess what is busy forming right here, right now? That is a W pattern with a neckline breakout, ironically, at a very strong support or resistance, resistance level. And if we pull that, the target of this the target of it brings us right back up to the top here. Isn't that very interesting? Hold on, let's make sure that it's accurate. So it kind of brings us up to this level of resistance right here. Now, for me, if we break out of this to the upside, we retest it and bounce off, guys, then guess where my next target is? 40K. 40K is my next target. Guess where my next target is? Is 42K, all the way up there. Guess where my next target is, guys? Yo. What do you guys think? Actually, my real best favorite next target is actually 48K, to be very honest. RSI is nicely reset on the 8-hour. The selling pressure is slowed down on the MACD. We found some support here. This candle kind of engulfed this candle. We're sitting around chilling. Breakout is inevitable when it does actually happen. So, you know, that's the Bitcoin charts. I'd like to know what you guys think about that for now. But if I have a look at this Bitcoin chart, as you guys can see, and I'm going to just delete this temporary. Well, first of all, as I keep saying to you guys, we're in an upwards bullish flag. Plus, we've hit the bottom here. Next move up, and this has been consecutive higher highs and higher lows. Now, I want to remove this for you so that you guys can see that we're actually in a forming an ascending triangle, which honestly is just very, very bullish. You can see that because of the higher lows and the higher highs. So for me, even if we come back down to this level, our next move is going to be something along this line: breakout, retest, pull up, smash through. That's what we should be seeing on the Bitcoin charts very, very, very soon. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below, and we will make that happen. Guys, I need to have some of my green tea. So the aircon has made it ice cold now. All right, let's go and look at the total crypto market cap. Well, the total crypto market cap is actually holding pretty darn strong here by the looks of it. As you guys can see, we have pretty much broken out of this level. I'm going to zoom out here. We've pretty much broken out of this level here. Maybe we retest here. Maybe it would be a good idea, especially considering that there's a lot of support in the VRVP. The MACD's crossed over. The RSI is busy resetting, so it could be a very good idea for a good retest here. Once we've reached that point, then I would say it's going to be a good bounce straight up, magnetic target right there, guys. Okay, we are making jumps in the crypto space, and if you're not invested in the crypto space, guys, I can't help you. Let me know down in the comments what videos you guys would like, or what altcoins you would like to know about for the bull cycle. Let me know down in the comments below, please. Now, Ethereum, I was cucking myself a little bit. South Africa say cucking myself instead of crapping myself. But now that it's also starting to form a bit of a W pattern, the same concept applies here for where I believe this target could essentially take us back to. Guess what? It takes us back up to these highs, pumps us through that level of resistance. Okay, because right now we're trying to get through this red level. Then once we get through there, we probably pump up to there, pull back, find some support, and then make our way up while we break through on this beautiful, beautiful Ethereum chart. Guys, Ethereum is looking very strong. I just keep adding to my position as I keep showing you. If you watch my video, my live content last night, you will see that the same thing happens over and over and over. I am very consistent in my trading, and I'd like to share with you guys that consistency. So, with that being said, I would say that this is an inverted head and shoulders pattern now, shoulder, shoulder, and this is the head. So if we are looking at an inverted head and shoulders pattern, look at where that possible target could take us out on Ethereum, because that would take us right up here to about 2,380, 2,400. So that's a pretty decent target there. What do you guys think about that? Especially considering that we have reset here at the moment and are looking for a strong bullish move to the upside. Now, you guys all know that I got in my XRP trade. I kind of started getting in over here. So I've just been adding. We've also reached a bit of a double bottom. It's also higher lows. But essentially, we have to get back up above that level. And as you can see, the same W patterns are forming throughout crypto. And essentially, that's what we would be looking for, because that target would probably bring us up to about that level there. So yeah, big things happening in the space. And as we can see, if we were to get a very strong breakout on XRP, we are also in an ascending triangle, which essentially could kind of do something like this. That would be the one target is the 87 cents price. Once we out of that 87 cents price, guys, look at that resistance level at 87 cents, okay? Make no mistake, we're going to see huge amounts of volume pick us right back up to get us to this $1.25 level. So, things are happening out there in the market, in the space. If you guys are enjoying the content, subscribe to the channel, notify yourself of my videos, and let's get to watching this incredible crypto space here together. Okay, let's go and have a look at the trades that I'm in. Use my Bitflex and my Bybit link down in the comments pinned below for you guys. And let's do this. All right, so let's do this. Look, now my position is almost back in the profit. So I bought down here last night while we were busy dropping, and I just added to my position there because I thought that that would be a great position to add to. Look why, because we were hit at bottom. Isn't that amazing? So, I kind of brought my position down a little bit, which for me is great. So let's go and see what those positions still look like. So ETH is down by 4%. Not bad, okay? ADA is down to 5%. AVAX is at 117%, and the Bitcoin is at 240%. The Dodge trade that I got into is down 4%, and my XRP is down about 20%. But I'm going to add more to my XRP position over the course of today, and I probably am going to take this up to perhaps around add another $20 down below this current position on XRP, especially because of where XRP currently is. So let's have a look at my buys on XRP because I did buy a couple yesterday. Yeah, look at that, guys. There you go. So I actually just need to get my buy price down, okay, which will actually average the entry position on my trade, bring it down, which will give me a better position. So look, I should be adding in here pretty much now, otherwise it's going to break out of this level and start to pump up to my P&L level already. So guys, that's very, very juicy. And as you guys can see, I've been basically buying. I got stopped out here, so I started buying again, all of this here. So I'm just adding to my position because if I really look at this, this is a long downtrend here. We have kind of already broken out and retested once again. So I hope you guys have enjoyed that. Let me know if you guys are trading here with me. If you are, smash the thumbs up. We love you all, and make sure you see you on the next one. Take care and have a blessed, beautiful, wonderful day.